Hello and welcome to Cars at 100, and on today's video let's talk about everything automotive. And on today's video let's talk about Ferrari, specifically 2027 Ferrari 12 Cilindri Manuale. So recently this car came out and Ferrari really surprised a lot of fans who did not expect this car to even have this type of technology in it. The technology that I'm talking about is manual by wire. That's what Ferrari calls it. But this is a really revolutionary and really cool technology, and I think it's gonna be accessible to a lot of cars on the market from this car onwards. Now in terms of specs, this car will have 819 horsepower and 500 pound-feet of torque. 0 to 60 will be under 2.9 seconds, and it's a rear-wheel drive, and in terms of the curb weight, it's gonna have a little bit more weight than 3,700 pounds. One of the reasons why they didn't want to engineer a brand new manual transmission which would be unlike this by wire technology is because of the weight. They wanted to make this as pure as possible. Another reason why this car is also non-hybrid, it is a pure Ferrari naturally aspirated V12, the last of its breed, and it's a pure front engine rear wheel drive GT layout that Ferrari is known for, and it is pretty cool that this car exists. The red line on this car is another reason why they didn't want to re-engineer and have the manual transmission that would be linked to this drivetrain, because it races to 9,500 RPM. So that's pretty high for the manual car to be. And that's why this car exists with this type of technology of manual by wire. And this manual by wire is really unique because you can switch, you can drive this car in the drive. Basically, you don't have to shift yourself, and you can also shift yourself. You also have a clutch pedal, and it is very computerized. I think this technology will be accessible with electric cars as well, because nowadays everything is artificial, everything is computer. The difference would be how they will engineer and how much alike real thing it will be. And I think it's gonna get to the point where you're gonna feel like this is same as the original and basically mechanical version of manual transmission. It's gonna get to the point where it's gonna be even more efficient and better in terms of shifting. It's gonna be quicker than the mechanical version of the manual. And in many ways I understand why cars like this will be popular, and they're gonna be interesting as well to own. They're gonna have no trade-offs. The most important aspect of ownership of any car, not just a supercar, is reliability and how much you can count on that car to be driven every single day. And I think with electric technology and computerized layout, I think we're gonna have more reliability than less, and it's gonna be easy to fix even if something goes bad. In many ways I understand how this technology is gonna get implemented in electric cars. It is very easy to implement. It is the biggest reason why it will exist, and I think this Ferrari is the testament. But this Ferrari was not first who started this manual transmission as well as the automatic transmission at the same time. Koenigsegg did it first with their technology. Koenigsegg CC850 is pretty cool, and I think with this Ferrari it becomes more production, more mainstream, limited to 1,499 units worldwide. You still have this production feeling to this car versus Koenigsegg. Of course, Koenigsegg is much more limited than this car, and it is becoming more accessible. I think it'll trickle down to lesser, expensive cars in this artificial manual shifting. If it was up to me, if I had to predict what would be the future of manual, I think we will have the option to get this technology in a car as an option. It is pretty cool that we are finally getting to the point where there are no trade-offs, and I think sports cars will have this manual by wire in future. Why not have a manual where we can have manual and automatic at the same time? This opens the doors where we're gonna have automatic and manual transmission together in a car, and this is a pretty big deal. This is why this Ferrari is important. This is why this technology is important, because if you buy a sports car, you can have the option to have it be driven enthusiastically, and you have option to sometimes not deal with the manual because you just want to drive. And And I think in the future we're gonna have cars that you're gonna have three ways you can drive: manual, automatic, or artificially be driven by a car. But this Ferrari is really cool, and I think it's great technology for the future. So let me know what you think about this 2027 Ferrari 12 Cilindri Manuale, and leave a comment and I'll get back to you. And if you enjoyed these videos, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Stay loving cars.